This is gonna blow your mind. You can make the best natural toothpaste at home in under 5 minutes using only 4 ingredients. First up, let's gather our Fab 4 coconut oil, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and either clove or cinnamon essential oil. Seriously, that's all you need. Coconut oil is our superstar here. It helps keep your mouth's microbiome in check and has natural antibacterial properties. Next, we got baking soda, which balances pH and acts like a gentle scrub for your teeth. Hydrogen peroxide? It's our whitening agent and bacteria buster. And for that fresh taste, we're adding clove or cinnamon essential oil, both of which have antimicrobial powers. Now let's mix it up. Grab a small bowl and combine 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide and mix until smooth. Finally, drop in 3 drops of your chosen essential oil and stir. Voila, you've got yourself a natural, effective toothpaste. Store your masterpiece in a small, airtight container. When you're ready to use, just scoop a pea-sized amount onto your toothbrush, brush away, and rinse well. Quick tips. If it's too thick, add a few drops of distilled water. Store it in a cool, dry place, and if it solidifies, just warm it up a bit. And there you have it. A DIY toothpaste that's easy, healthy, and eco-friendly. Try it out and let us know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips. Catch you later.